Planning your first trip to Rome, with only 3 days, you'll want to see the city's most famous landmarks. This sightseeing itinerary covers the highlights: ancient ruins, Vatican treasures, and the lively piazzas that make Rome unforgettable. Getting to Rome is simple. Most international travelers arrive at Fiumicino Airport, Rome's main hub, with direct connections to cities around the world. From Fiumicino, you can reach central Rome in about 30 minutes by train, shuttle bus, or taxi. Or you can reach Roma via high-speed trains that connect to Roma Termini Station, the city's main hub. When choosing where to stay, consider these neighborhoods. The historic center is walkable and close to major landmarks like the Pantheon, Trevi Fountain, and Piazza Navona. Trastevere is a charming bohemian district with cobblestone streets, buzzing nightlife, and authentic trattorias. Prati near the Vatican, a quieter, elegant neighborhood, perfect if you want to stay close to Vatican City. And Monte, a trendy, artsy area with boutiques, cafes, and great access to the Colosseum. Day 1, Ancient Rome and the Classics. Begin your first day in Rome at the Colosseum, the city's most iconic landmark. Book skip-the-line tickets in advance to save time. Step inside and imagine the roar of the crowds as gladiators once fought here. From there, explore Palatine Hill and the Roman Forum, where temples, arches, and ruins tell the story of the Roman Empire's beginnings. Palatine Hill also offers sweeping views across the Forum. Pause for lunch nearby. Choose a rooftop setting with views of the Colosseum, or keep it casual with a slice of classic Roman pizza. In the afternoon, head to Piazza della Rotunda and step inside the Pantheon, an architectural masterpiece nearly 2,000 years old. Look upward at the oculus, the circular opening at the center of the dome, which serves as the building's only natural light source and a symbolic connection to the heavens. Then head to Piazza Navona, one of Rome's most beautiful squares. Famous for Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers and lively street performers. As late afternoon approaches, enjoy an aperitivo at a cafe on Piazza Navona. Sip an Aperol Spritz as the square comes alive. End your first day with dinner in the historic center, choosing between a traditional trattoria with handmade pasta or a more refined restaurant offering creative takes on Roman cuisine. Day 2, Vatican City and Baroque Rome. Start your day in Vatican City and St. Peter's Square with a visit to the Vatican Museum. Hire a local tour company to skip the lines and to help guide you through the galleries of ancient statues and Renaissance art before reaching the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's frescoes will leave you speechless. Continue into St. Peter's Basilica, one of the largest and most breathtaking churches in the world. Take time to admire its grandeur, then climb to the top of the dome for unbelievable views across Rome. For lunch, enjoy a simple plate of fresh pasta or a quick panino at a cafe near the Vatican. In the afternoon, cross the Tiber River to Castel Sant'Angelo, originally built as Emperor Hadrian's mausoleum and later used as a fortress. From the terrace, take in panoramic views of the city. Later, stop for an afternoon gelato before making your way to the Spanish Steps. Relax on the staircase and take in the lively atmosphere. As evening falls, walk to the Trevi Fountain. Don't forget to toss a coin to ensure your return to Rome. Finish your day with dinner near the Spanish Steps, where you can enjoy modern interpretations of Roman dishes or classic trattoria fare. Day 3, neighborhoods, markets, and gardens. On your final day, choose between two options. Stroll through the Villa Borghese Gardens, Rome's peaceful green space. Rent a bike or simply enjoy the scenery. If you're an art lover, book a visit to the Borghese Gallery to see works by Bernini and Caravaggio. Or visit the Victor Emmanuel II Monument, also known as the Altare della Patria, the Altar of the Fatherland, in Piazza Venezia. Climb to the panoramic terraces for some of the best views of Rome. Next, head to Campo de' Fiori to explore its bustling open-air market, filled with fresh produce, flowers, and spices. For lunch, try Roman street food like sapli, fried rice balls with mozzarella, or pizza al taglio, sold by the slice. In the afternoon, head to Trastevere, one of Rome's most atmospheric neighborhoods. Wander the cobblestone streets, admire ivy-draped buildings, and visit the Basilica of Santa Maria, known for its golden mosaics. Before dinner, take an afternoon stroll along the Tiber. For your farewell dinner, enjoy a cozy trattoria atmosphere with hearty Roman classics. As evening sets in, treat yourself to one last gelato. In just 3 days, you'll have experienced the essence of Rome. Its ancient history, artistic treasures, and vibrant neighborhoods. Whether it's your first visit or one of many, Rome always leaves you wanting to return. Subscribe to Route in Rome for more curated itineraries. Your next adventure starts here.